Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press that subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now for today's video is gonna be like a little bit of a, oh, my lips is chapped. It's gonna be like a get ready with me type of thing. I haven't really been doing my makeup lately for some reason. Like I said, I kind of been liking the like dewy, like the eyelash, because I had eyelash extension look recently, but I don't know, I wanted to do my makeup today, so I'm just like I haven't recorded one of these in a while, and like I said, I want to do different things on my channel, not just business related and lip gloss and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of already did my hair, and all I did was do a little like side swoop thing. I seen this this photo on Instagram, and she was wearing this headband and stuff like that, so I kind of want to low-key recreate that. I'm not that good with eyeshadow, so yeah, probably gonna see me struggle for a little bit. So yeah, I'm not no professional like makeup artist and stuff like that, so if y'all see me struggling, mind your business. But I'm gonna speed through all this because most of my makeup is very repetitive, and I do have a detailed one on my channel. I know it wasn't that long ago, but it's probably like a few videos back, or I'll link it down in the description bar if you guys do want to check it out. But like I said, it's very repetitive, but yeah. So I'm gonna kind of pin my hair, and let me know if you guys like the little background. Would you guys like it to be like more so blank, or do you guys like these little sparkly lights that I got back here? I don't know, I think they're really cute, and it just adds a little bit extra in the background and not just so bland. So let me know if you guys like that in the background or whatever. But like I said, I'm just gonna pin up my hair. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I'm not sure if you guys can really like see it. Actually, let me zoom you guys in. Like, this is how it looks like. I don't know, like, I really wanted to do this because like I said, I seen this picture on Instagram, so I don't know, it's really cute. I don't know what vibe it's giving, honestly, but I kind of kept my makeup very, like, you know, simple, nothing too much. Yeah, I'm sorry my boobs is like all up in the waist because I have on my waist trainer and that should be pushing up my boobs. But yeah, like I said, it really be pushing up my boobs. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I honestly like it. I like it. It's like a cute little, I don't know, I know I'm not going anywhere, but I don't know, I would wear this somewhere with like a cute little one piece or something like that. I want to try this again, but probably like with my hair pushed back as well. But let me know if you guys would like it like this way, or if this is just a cute look that you guys would try. And if you do try it, let me know. I did get, if anybody was interested, I did get this headband from my friend. She sells them. I'll link her Instagram in the comments down below, or I'll put her on the screen so you guys can go check her out if you guys are interested in getting one like these. She has other colors and stuff like that, but this is how I styled it. Like, I really like this. I really wish that I was going somewhere, because bitch, yeah, I really wish that I was going somewhere, honestly. I think I'm gonna take some cute pictures and stuff like that. But like I said, this was a very short tutorial. It wasn't anything like serious or in depth. I just wanted to do my makeup, and I'm like, I might as well do my makeup in front of you guys. And yeah, but I really like the way that this came out. Like, bitch, I look cute. Bitch, I look cute. But if y'all think this came out real fire, make sure you guys press that subscribe button as well as that like button, and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the things that I used on my face in the description bar down below, because I know I didn't show it to you guys, so I'll link it down below if you guys want to, you know, use any of the products that I use. And like I said, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.